Hello guys. So we are here at we are going to Josephine Bibal's farm. So take a look the place. So napapaligiran siya ng tubo. Okay. So this is the place of Maring Josephine. Oh my gosh. So nagalakad-lakad kami sa mga lapo putikan. Okay. So I guess mga 3 minutes or 30 minutes pa bago makareach sa Ilabalay. Ha? May nadaan pa kaming Tilamnan. See? Oh,
Palayan.
Palayan. Ang ganda ng palayan, oh. Rhina ng palayan. Oh, see? Ay, beautiful. See? Talagag may pang humay, hindi pa nagdalago, no?